I wanted to address something in this video that really gets under my skin, okay? Digital marketing is not selling digital courses, okay? For whatever reason, there is a huge group of people out there that seem to think that digital marketing is limited to selling just digital courses. It's not, okay? And this is something that I see it predominantly on Instagram, okay? Ever since I want to say like 2023 and the whole of 2024 for sure, with the surge of this whole MRR movement, right? The master resale rights, that was something that's been really popular in 2024 and 2023. And maybe it started back in, I don't know, maybe 2022, I'm not sure. But those years that I just mentioned for sure, right? And this is this whole idea where people have the ability to purchase a product, right? And resell it, the identical product, as their own, in essence, for 100% of the price, right? So with typical affiliate marketing, right? With affiliate marketing, typically somebody else owns a product, right? Let's say they're selling it for $100, and then they're offering, a 50% commission to affiliates who help them sell it, right? If I'm an affiliate and I go sell that product, right, that for $100, I'll make a $50 commission. Now, with this whole MRR thing that came, that became really popular and trendy, people had the ability to buy, let's just say, a course, for example, right? In fact, it was predominantly courses, right? It was predominantly courses that teach digital marketing, and essentially people, that was a way for a lot of people, like beginners, right, to get into digital marketing and sell digital products without having to create their own. And the benefit and enticing thing about it is you purchase the course, right, and then you get to resell the course, the same identical course, for 100% of the profit, right, for the entire price of the product, okay? So you would have a bunch of people, in fact, like, you had people buying these courses and then reselling the courses, which nothing wrong with that, right? My issue is they you had a bunch, like a ton of people, right, beginners who wouldn't necessarily know any better, no fault of theirs, being taught that digital marketing is essentially selling these digital courses, essentially, okay? And that is not the case, right? Digital marketing is way more than just selling courses. And for whatever, I mean, I guess, I don't know, people sometimes now, at least in that ecosystem, you hear the term digital marketer, and sometimes maybe that's why the term digital marketer sometimes might get a bad rap. I don't know, because people hear that, people who don't know any better, they hear that, and then they automatically think that we're talking about selling courses, okay? And there's nothing wrong with selling courses, nothing wrong with selling courses. It's just the idea of saying or teaching, erroneously telling people that digital marketing is basically limited to basically selling digital courses or digital products, whatever the case may be. If you are a mom and pop shop and you have physical products in store, whatever you're selling in there, and you want to get the word out, and you get online and use different platforms, digital media to get the word out about your store, you're using digital marketing to promote to promote the physical products in your physical store, right? Your brick and mortar store. All right, so digital marketing goes. It's like digital. It goes beyond. If you're promoting anything, right? Anything that you're promoting online using digital media, right? Whether it's using social media platforms, right? Even people who run social media marketing agencies, right? They're digital marketers, right? they're using social media platforms, which are a subset of digital media, right? They're using that to promote whatever it is that they're helping their clients sell. Okay, so that could be digital products, yes, or it could be physical products, right? It could be cars. Like, you have a dealership out there that goes out and uses digital media to promote their stuff. They are using digital marketing to promote their cars or their dealership. Okay, so I need people, like, digital marketing is more than just selling courses or selling digital products. All right, I get the confusion. You just hear digital marketing, you hear digital products, so maybe people think it's the same thing. It goes way beyond that. All right. I've seen it so much, and I've seen so many people erroneously repeat it and saying it over and over. And I'm out here creating content, and this was just something that was on my mind. I needed people to I needed to get the word. Well, I'm sure there's a lot of people that already know this, but I just felt the need to say something about it because it was on my mind right now, and I just wanted to put it out there. Okay. I guess in a small way, it appeases me, where I feel like I'm doing something about the wrong message getting out there, right? So just understand that, there's any physical product or anything that you're selling using digital media, is you using digital marketing to promote whatever it is. Okay, it goes way beyond just digital products. Okay, and digital media, whether that's your social media platforms or search engine optimization, on like your Google search, or search engine marketing, where you're paying for advertising, right? On search engines, right? The list goes on. All right, the list goes on. Any digital media, that's that. So, but in any case, it was huge in 2023, 2024. I'm talking specifically about the whole MRR space, right? Master resale rights, right? But that's just one thing for you. Forget that. That's just one thing. You need to, digital marketing is something that's only growing. It's only getting bigger. It's only getting better. More and more people are getting into it, so there's an appetite for it. There's a market out there for it. So if you're looking for a way to start getting ahead, making a little bit more money, that is definitely something that you can look into and start, alongside alongside what you're doing right now already. You don't have to quit your job or quit whatever you're doing. You can start this on the side, and then if it's something it's something you can definitely grow to the point where you can quit your job if you want to. Okay, I know there's a lot of people out there that love their job, so if you're one of those people, good for you, great, all right. But if you're one of those people that wants to get away from your job, then digital marketing is definitely something to look at. And if you'd like to get started, check out the first link in the description below this video, or in the pinned comments below, if you're watching on a platform other than YouTube. I will have a link in there that will give you access to some training that will show you how to get started promoting, basically how to get started with learning digital marketing. Okay, learning how to go about using digital marketing to promote whatever it is you want to promote. And even if you don't have something to promote, you will learn about all the different things that are out there that you can already promote without you having to create them or anything like that. All right, that's going to be that first link in the description below. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.